Hi everyone, welcome to Food Menu channel. Today's recipe Gajar Halwa. For this recipe, take gajar half kg, wash and peel it. Grate this gajar nicely. Then add 3 tablespoons of ghee in a kadai. Then heat it. Then add cashew, approximately 3 tablespoons. Fry on low flame. Then fry raisins. Raisins also take 3 tablespoons. Then you add grated gajar. Stir continuously. Minna is deep sleeping. Now you can observe the color of gajar. Now add 1 cup of fresh milk, not boiled milk. Then close and cook 5 minutes on low flame. Now milk absorbed, add 1 cup of sugar. We add milk powder, half cup. Add gradually. Now stir continuously. Now add cardamom powder 1 teaspoon. Add fried nuts and raisins. Our gajar halwa is ready now. Then offer to God. Then eat, it will be more taste. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.